Welcome back to another video. Today I have my Revive face steamer I want to show you guys, which I think is an excellent product. I did get it at Marshall's, which you can get yourself for about 20 bucks max. And the brand that I have is Revive. And it's very easy and simple to use. It does have an on and off button, and I will show you guys how I use this. I personally like to use purified water from Costco, but you can use just any water, even tap water will do. As you can see, there is a line so you know how to measure. It says max, and then that is where you stop filling up with water. So the Revive comes with 3 pieces. Comes with a lid, as you see here, the face piece where your face goes into, and a smaller piece that goes inside. But in my case, I don't use it. Okay, so I just steamed my face. What works for me might not work for you, but the face feels refreshed. I do have had an acne battle, and on top of that, a face condition. I do have a lot of, as you can see, spots that are left over. If I was to use foundation, it's covered up. I mean, there's no bumps or anything like that, but I am left with a lot of really bad scarring from my face condition and from acne. Other than that, you can always apply a facial mask. That would be a perfect time to use a facial mask to absorb the excess oils and the excess dirt. Also, you can skip that like I will today and just go straight to washing my face with my cleanser. And then moisturize, SPF of course, and then I'll apply my makeup. So I would totally recommend a face steamer. Keep your face rejuvenated. I would definitely recommend a face steamer to you and everyone you know. So if you like my video, guys, please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!